The CPI data is out and it was less than what we expected. And Bitcoin had, of course, a nice CPI pump because of it. But I had warned you yesterday about potential dangers with the CPI data coming out, and that is what we are seeing here right now, and we definitely have to talk about this. So definitely stick around here, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and push the algorithm by activating also the notifications. And now let's jump directly into today's content. I had told you guys that I would expect that when the CPI data would come out, actually this is on on yesterday's video, that we should see Bitcoin trying to break into this support area here. So that would be something what I was expecting, and this was now what actually happened because of the CPI data. So, and then I also told you guys that I don't think that we directly break back into this unless we are going straight up and go above this support area of $28,200, $28,700. So this has not happened. And when we are looking here on this 4-hourly chart on a stochastic RSI, it doesn't look like that it's going to happen anytime soon because we are here in overbought conditions. So the correction from that pump is highly likely in this specific scenario. So what most likely is going to happen, or what I'm expecting to happen, is that we maybe come a little bit higher again. So maybe we even close up here at $28,200, but then we're gonna come down a little bit to test this area here now as support, and hopefully from there we're gonna bounce and go sideways and then attack the next level that was prior support. Actually, I have to turn this now into red and make sure that this is resistance, and then reclaim this now confirmed resistance area, and from there go all the way back up to over 30K. I don't believe that over the next coming hours that we see here a straight pump to the upside, but I also don't believe that we're going to lose here this underlying support level. So we will be most likely trapped here in between and go sideways, as I just indicated. And here's also something really interesting on that 4-hourly chart what I want to show you guys. So when you look at this, so because we have here a potential pattern, so we have here a potential cup and handle pattern. So here that is the cup, and now when a correction comes, here could be our handle, and then we see a break to the upside. So if we would treat this already now as a cup and handle pattern, let's say we would break out here. So you see we would reclaim this resistance area as support again, and we would be close to $29,000 if we would break out at that specific point in time. So, but until we get a clear picture if that will be actually a cup and handle pattern, I'm not really doing anything. I was not trading this pump. I could have, but I was actually stuck in a call on a Zoom meeting, so I wasn't able to trade this. And I'm just waiting. Guys, you should always remember, don't chase the pump. Wait for consolidation and then enter into a new position. Not during a pump, because there you can get really easily get liquidated, and that's something that we want to avoid. So, and of course this is also the next trade that I'm looking at once we see some consolidation to the downside in a potential bull flag with a breakout confirming this potential cup and handle pattern. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this, do this on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free with that specific link. Don't forget, guys, it's one of the safest exchanges out there. They have proof of funds and everything. Also now a crypto debit card. You just have to check on the website if you can apply for it in your country. So I really highly recommend you to trade on BYBIT with me all along together. So, and let's say, yeah, let's just wait until tomorrow to get a clearer picture here if this will actually form a cup and handle pattern, and then we talk about entry targets, stop losses, and so on this specific trade here. Here on this 4-hourly chart, what I would like to see is that we stay above the point of control here at $28,100, the red line that you see here on the VPVR, and that we consolidate above this sideways, and then see the next leg to the upside. So that is something that I would like to see. If for some reason we see here consolidation downwards like this, so that would then increase the chances that we actually go way lower. But for the time being, it doesn't look like it. The bulls are fighting to keep the price afloat above $27,800, which is a key level here to hold for the bulls, and trying to regain the point of control here on the 4-hourly chart on the VPVR, so which is also really important. Then here, when we look here, we are above the daily open price for today, so that was also expected when I saw here this rally coming up here on the 30 minutes chart. So here's consolidation already happening right now, while the stochastic RSI is going down. So that is already a good sign that we're going sideways and not see here something like a waterfall drop like this. So the longer we go kind of sideways up or sideways down, the more likely we're going to see this potential cup and handle pattern playing out. So for what I would like to see is that we actually stay above the daily open that we had here, around $27,430, and that we close in the best case scenario above the $28,160 area. So that is something that I really would like to see here. Also here on the 12-hourly chart, the head and shoulders pattern for me looks like that it will get invalidated, because at the moment where we should have broken here to the downside, we actually got a pump back to the upside. And when I also look at the stochastic RSI here, the stochastic RSI has flipped bullish here on the 12-hourly charts, and there's a lot of room to go back to the upside. And we are retesting right now the EMA ribbon. So once we are breaking above the EMA ribbon, we have most likely on these lower time frames already regained control into an uptrend based on the EMA ribbons. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.